Hare Krishna friends, welcome back to my Kanha's Darshan. Today we are going to understand why do we celebrate Akshaya Tritiya. But before I begin, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you would receive my new video updates. Akshaya Tritiya, also known as Akha Teej, is an annual springtime festival of the Hindus. It is observed as an auspicious time regionally by Hindus and Jains in India and Nepal. In Sanskrit, the word Akshaya means never-endingness in the sense of prosperity, hope, joy, success, while Tritiya means the third phase of the moon. The day is considered auspicious by Hindus in many regions of India for new ventures, marriages, expensive investments such as in gold or other property, and any new beginnings. It is also a day of remembrance for the loved ones who have died. Akshaya Tritiya festival has many significant events connected to it. Very important and as related to the name of the festival itself is the presenting of Akshaya Patra to Draupadi by Lord Krishna during the visit of sage Durvasa. During their exile in the forest, the princely Pandavas and Draupadi were starved due to lack of food. Yudhishthir, who was the eldest, did penance to Lord Surya, who gave him this bowl which would remain full till Draupadi had her meals. During sage Durvasa's visit, Lord Krishna made this bowl invincible for Draupadi, the wife of the 5 Pandavas, so that the magical bowl called Akshaya Patram would always remain full with food of their choice, even as to satiate the whole universe if required. Akshaya Tritiya is also known as Parshuram Jayanti, as Lord Vishnu's 6th incarnation, Lord Parshuram, was born on this day. The iconic Indian epic Mahabharata, which was narrated by Rishi Vedvyas to Lord Ganesha to write, it was on this day of Akshaya Tritiya that the narration and writing commenced. Lord Kubera received his wealth and position as the Lord of Wealth on this auspicious day. On this day, Goddess Ganga agreed to descend to earth, being pleased with King Bhagirath's austere penance. Her force of flow was so strong that it could have flooded the earth. Bhagirath then requested Lord Shiva to help. Lord Shiva contained God Ganga's flow in his matted hair. Thus Ganga flew down to earth with controlled force and till now keeps us supplied with limitless water and food. Lord Krishna's childhood friend Sudama was extremely poor and Lord was the king of Dwarka. Once Sudama decided to visit his friend Lord Krishna to request him for some financial help. Sudama carried a gift as they were meeting after several years. The gift was some poha, which means flat rice, made by his wife. Lord Krishna presented him with royal treatment and washed Sudama's tired feet by himself. Sudama was conscious about his gift, but Lord snatched it from his hand and ate it very happily. Upon returning, Sudama found that his mere hut was transformed into a beautiful house, and his wife and children were in good clothes, and there was money and wealth which never diminished. Thus, Sudama was gifted by Lord Krishna an unending prosperity and wealth. This happened on the day of Akshaya Tritiya by grace of Lord Krishna. Since Akshaya Tritiya is also considered to be the birthday of goddess Annapurna, the day is believed to be very auspicious for buying gold jewelry. So that's all friends. If you found this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we shall meet in my next video. Till then, take care. Hare Krishna.